for Diaries, Geneva Banks, that bougie black girl Amazon, the big expat, the luxury black girl, you know who I am. Just another quick little video recap of my day. I'm going out every day discovering new places, new areas. I found a dispensary I really like called Weeden. However, they have multiple locations and it's hit or miss depending on what location you go to. My very first one I went to, great. This one that I found today, absolutely love it. This is in the Sukhumvit area. I'll leave details in the comment under this post. But yeah, I went and picked up my cannabis, got me a ride back on a Grab, on the bike. Very friendly guy. It was a smooth ride. He did stop and he left me on his bike, so I guess he trusted me. I did meet someone while I was out. I met this young girl. She was very sweet. She complimented me. And I look forward to maybe connecting with her and doing something later on this week. But yeah, still discovering and taking in the fact that I'm in Thailand. Every day is a new day and it's